Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today, the first sound of the letter we are going to see today is the letter yes. What is this letter? This is the letter yes. And you all know what is the sound of this letter? The sound of this letter is S. Come on, you all say with me. You know how to make this sound? Now come on, all see me carefully. All open your mouth like this. Okay? And bring your tongue between your jaws. This is your tongue, right? Bring your tongue between your jaws and make the sound. Come on, you all try with me. Yes says. Yes says. You all know how the snake will hiss? Yes, the same sound only for this letter yes. Can you all try with me? Yes says. Very good. Now we all are going to listen to the song for the letter yes, which makes sound. Okay?
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Did you all listen to the song? Very good. So now I'm going to teach you this action for the sound. Okay. So the action for the sound is, come on, all take your hand and weave it like this. Yes, while you're doing it, say the sound. Come on. You all listen to the song, right? Now can you all try to sing with me? Yes. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Shall we sing one more time? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Very good. Okay, now we all learn the sound of the letter yes, right? Yes. So what is the sound of the letter yes? Come on, you all try to do with me. Very good. Now we are going to see some words which have sound. Okay. Come and see this picture. What is this picture? Yes, the picture. This is snake, right? So see here the word snake. The first letter of this word snake have sound. Come on, all say with me. Snake. Snake. Now shall we see the next one? What is this? Yes, this is sun. Sun. Very good. Now let's see the next one. What is this? This is star. Star. Have you all seen the stars in the night? Yes, very good. Come on, all say with me. Star. Now the next one is spider. Spider. Come on, all try to say with me. Spider. And the last one is, what is this? Snail. Snail. Very good. So keep practicing more sounds which have sound. Okay. Now ma'am is going to teach you the formation of the letter yes. Okay. So shall we all see that now? Okay. Now shall we all see how to write the letter yes? Okay. So this is the letter yes, right? What is the sound of this letter? The sound of this letter is S, right? Now shall we see how to write this letter? Okay. Now all take your pointer finger. Okay. Now come on. Do like this and trace it. Okay. So you have to start from here. go backward and a curve, then come down and again backward. Okay, come on, practice with me. Take your index finger, keep it, go backward, curve, and then again one curve and end it. Okay, so this is how you have to practice the letter yes. Shall we try one more time? Start from here, go backward, a curve, again a curve, then end it. Okay, now let's see how to write it. Now this is for the parents or for the teachers, like how you can make the children to do the writing practice. Okay, so imagine the children are having the 4 lines notebook. You can help them by keeping like this dots, and you can ask them to practice writing. Okay, so now here we have to start from this dot and go backward, again the curve, come down and like this. Okay, so you can keep dots like this and you can make the children to practice the writing part. Come on, again, let's try again. Start from the dot, go backward, a curve, then come down, again the curve. Shall we do one more time? Start from the point, go backward, a curve, come down. Yes. So shall we do one more time? Go backward, come down, and then so like this you can keep practicing the writing part. Shall we all recap what we have learned today? Today we have learned the sound of the letter yes, right? Yes. What is the sound of this letter? The sound of this letter is sound, right? Yes. And what is the action for this sound? Come on, take your hand like this and weave it like this. Okay. Come on, shall we all try to do it with the sound and with the action? Yes says okay. So, and we also have seen the words which have sound, right? And what else we have seen today? We have seen how to practice, how to write the letter yes, right? So keep practicing the sound with the action and also keep practicing how to write the letter yes. See you. Bye-bye.